What's up? Welcome back to another video. We are headed back to the shop. Today I'm working on a Chevy Camaro. The engine hydro-locked inside of it, so that engine's trashed. We got to pull that motor out. So my goal for today is to hopefully get that engine out and on the floor, swap all the accessories over to where tomorrow when I go in, I can work on getting the new engine put in the car. So that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, we got Camaro staged up and our working area set up. So we're gonna start yanking on this engine now. Check it out. You see it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's got two holes.
And probably through a rod.
Yeah, look, that's part of it right there by the starter.
This engine's been blessed. Because it's holy.
That's it. There's one. Yep. I knew they would be.
Goodness.
There's another hole over here. Ooh, wow, there it is. Look.
In the block?
Yep.
Oh my goodness. There's your problem. Let's see if we can get a view of that. God, they might not even take that as a core.
Oh.
They might not take that as a core.
You're probably right, dude. Oh, look at that. This engine got rocked. Not much to swap over, just the flywheel, I believe. Guys, so the engine's stabbed in, everything's gone really well, so hopefully everything else goes well, and by the end of the day we'll be firing it up and get to hear what this thing sounds like.
bet they thought we messed up. We're actually doing is priming the engine with oil.
Show where it doesn't start and no one knows what's wrong.
That's only on terrible shit. Let the camera catch me from my good angle. You ready? There, that's my good angle. That's my good angle. And we're back. There is no good angle. That's the problem.
Hey, comment below. Are we brothers?
Stay tuned next episode to find out.
Yeah, we might tell you.
So the question is, are we brothers or not? Stay tuned for next episode to find out.